Remine Mobile, your Miami MLS mobile solution. Learn how to use the mortgage calculator. Select any property, for example, 3123 Mary Street. When your property card opens, click on the three dots on the top right-hand corner, tap on Calculate Mortgage on the bottom, and use the mortgage calculator to create an estimate that will include information regarding the principal and the interest for the monthly payment, property tax information, home insurance information, and HOA dues. You can use the three sliding bars. You have your price point, down payment information, interest rate information, and property tax. You can use the sliding scale to make adjustments. You can also use the pencil icon by tapping it and manually inputting the information. When you've completed the manual input, tap on Done and review the updated estimate on the top. Join your Miami trainers for a Remine Mobile class. Thank you for being a Miami member.